How to install plugin. The plugin can be installed in two ways. Part 1, by using search bar and by upload plugin. Part 2, by plugin. So at first you should log in your backend, put your username and password, then click on login. It is the backend. Go to the plugin. When you mouse over on plugin, click on add new. Click on add new. New interface will come here. Part 1, by typing the plugin name in the search bar, you can install. Just type here your plugin name. I want to install the plugin Visa card payment integration, so I type Visa card and scroll down. Be careful about authenticity. Authorize.net by, it is so important. Be careful about, you should install authentic. Click on install. This plugin is installing. It's take few moments or second. Installed. Now click on active. Click on active. The plugin is activated. Okay, just our plugin is activated. Now we are searching where my plugin. It is the installed plugin list. I installed the Visa card, so I did this. Click on settings. Click on settings. Go to the website and now look what is condition in website. Now no settings come here. Just click on enable. First click on enable. Click on enable and then click on save change. Scroll down the page and click on save change. Now go to the website preview. Okay, one option will come, add to cart. Click on add to cart. That means it is working. Our plugin is working. Just click on view cart. View cart. Cart is viewing. Just wait. Here is a cart option available. Click here, place to order. Okay, this is the billing option. When you finish the billing option, just first name, last name, and then you can see the our payment plugin is come here. Just you fill the option, your billing option, then just click on place order. That's it. So part 2, by upload a plugin. To do that, go to the website backend, go to the plugin, click on add new. New interface will appear to you. Click on upload plugin. To do that, you have to download a plugin. So to download the plugin, go to the Google, type your plugin name. My plugin name is a PayPal plugin for WooCommerce. Click enter. PayPal plugin for WooCommerce, come here, just click on download. In the bottom, just click on the download. The file is downloading. It is a zip file. Go to the website backend again. Click upload plugin. Below, look below. The option, come here, choose the file. Now choose your file, where your file is located. My file in download option, so I am finding my file. Just I found my, just click here and click open. Select your file and click open. Just click install. Now just click install. The file is installing. Okay, installed. Now click active. Now click active. The file is activating. It's take a few moments. After finish activated, go to the plugin setting. Just I am finding where my plugin, a lot of plugin is available here, so that's why I am finding my plugin. My plugin name is PayPal. So PayPal for WooCommerce. PayPal, that's it here. PayPal for WooCommerce. Click on the settings. It will bring you the settings option. Just enable the plugin. Click on enable. Then scroll down and click on save change. Click enable and scroll down, click on save change and go to the page and give the refresh the page. Then you will find the plugin. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope if you have any question, leave your question in the comment box. Thank you.